वेलकम टू valsquicktips&tricks कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमका येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळी बरी आसली सावध आणि भलायकेन. तर आयज हांव गेलेली शुक्राराच्या बाजारान अँड देर आय गॉट अ नाईस shark fish egg. So this is shark fish egg. So what I had done 30 minutes before, I put salt and turmeric and little bit of lime juice and I had kept. So now we will do Bhurji out of this. My other recipes are there, fried and all of other fish eggs. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता. हांव शुक्राराच्या बाजारान गेल्ली आनी थिंगासर म्हाका आमची शाकाची गाबोळी मेवली, आमच्या पिल्याची गाबोळी. आनी तेजे आतां हांव भुर्जी करता. तर ताका लागून कितें जाय तें पळोवन घेयात. लायम ज्यूस, few coriander leaves, 1 tomato, then this is curry leaves, 1 green chili, spicy one, then this is 1 big onion, and these are Richard God flowers, optional. So these are Richard God flowers, that is आमचे गोसाळ्याची फुलां. These are all home grown, so we get it every day, a bunch of flowers. And this curry leaf also is from home, chili is also from home. Then this is homemade ginger garlic and chili paste. So I have made ginger garlic and chili paste, and we need 2 eggs. The other masala will go in this is turmeric powder and coriander powder. That's it. No chili powder because already we are adding chili, and then this also has got chili. So let's start. So first thing, we take these 2 eggs over here, and then we take our gaboli. And then we remove this part because we want only the eggs. So we remove the outer skin. And take all this out. Okay, you can either take knife and do that, now with skin if you want you can, but we don't want, we want because it is Bhurji. Okay, so this is the way we want for this recipe. Remaining we throw it out. This you throw out. So I will few chilies over here now for this, and ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, and I will add salt also, and little bit of lime juice, little bit, so it gets a nice flavor for this also. Remaining we'll put for later coriander, curry leaves, few more. Yeah, this is just to prepare this, and then we'll beat this and keep aside. Aside. And now we'll start our recipe, and we are taking mustard oil for this recipe. So we take 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, any company. Let's add our curry leaves. Onion, tomatoes and chilies together, and the flowers also. Few flowers I kept for decoration. Then we will take our ginger garlic paste also put aside, 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic and chili paste. And we mix and fry this till this all becomes soft. If by chance you get any fish eggs, then, and if you relish it, then only. So now we will add our turmeric powder in this and coriander powder. So half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Fry this very nicely. Add our salt also to this. We add little bit of a cumin powder, that is jeera powder. So the tomatoes and onions have to be soft nicely. Squeeze the lime juice little bit. So the tomatoes are cooked. onion are also done. Now we will add our fish egg and the egg. Mix this nicely till it dries completely. So we have to dry it completely. Then our Bhurji is ready. Fish egg Bhurji is ready. And here 5 minutes after you open pan, okay, just you have to mix this continuously like this, and our Bhurji is ready. And now we will garnish this with coriander leaves, few of kasuri methi, and it's done. Little bit of kasuri, crushed kasuri methi for extra flavor. Put off the gas and serve it with roti, chapati or bread. Thank you so much. Bare karo.
Yummy, tasty shark Gaboli or Burji.